Okay, let's create a box around our text. First of all, type anything that you want. Go to Effects and Presets, search for CC Composite, drag and drop to the text layer, and search for Fill Effect. Again, drag and drop. We will change the order later on, and go and search for Shift Channels. Drag and drop to the layer as well. And the last one, let's type CC Reptile to the layer. As you can see, I will change the order, change it like mine, and we need to change some details, change the alpha to full on, and about the reptile, set it to 25. You can set it to whatever that you want, and change the fill of the box around the text. As you can see, you can type anything that you want, and you have a reactive box around the text. Please subscribe to my channel.